Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2011 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike has 30,400 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So it has had a minor tip over on both sides, but like I said, it is minor. So let's take our walk around it, show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. Right side here we've got some mirror, lever, middle cowl or middle fairing. Bike has bar ends, grips, tank pad, fender eliminator,
604, Bailey, 604.
stand spools. A little more damage here on the tail, as well as the engine cover. It has a left side frame slider on it, and again here on the mirror a little bit. So like I said, it's pretty minor. 3369 is what's on it. Oh, I wanted to show you this spot here too. A little spot here on the airbox on the tank. Set the camera down. This 2011 GSX-R600 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.